Hi everybody, this is the Sentiment Timing Weekly Video Recap for Wednesday, March 25th. I hope you guys have been staying ahead of these massive turns. Nothing has really changed. We've been in these all-in, all-out environments for quite some time now, and the second that the bulls get overly confident that things have changed and we're going to continue higher, they pull the rug out. Once the bears start looking for some type of crash, they throw a floor down and run the markets to new highs. And it's been like this for quite some time. And what I left you with last time was on February 18th in our newsletter, Woody said that he was looking for some kind of top to hit on between March 4th and March 5th, and I had to black out the dates that he was looking for a bottom. And if we look at the charts, this was the February 18th. This is when our newsletter came out. We had the rally, and come right into our turn date, Woody's turn date time, we saw acceleration to the downside, and this is where I left you guys, where I couldn't tell you which dates they were. And then today, I showed you the actual report with the dates that weren't blacked out, and what we were looking for really was potential declines from March 4th to March 5th into the 11th or the 16th, and the 11th could be dramatic. So this was really everything that was blacked out that you didn't get to see. And if we go back and look at the chart, this was, actually I'll go here, this is better. Here's your 11th, here's your 16th. This was the low that was being made after the big drop. And from there we saw a massive, massive rally. And this is what I mean by once everybody gets bullish on the markets when it's at the top, we get these big drops. Once everybody's bearish, we get these big rallies. And guess what? Everybody was very, very bullish up here. And if I show you what was in our update that we just put out on Tuesday, this is March 17th, is if there's a spike on Friday, it could set up a short-term fade. So basically, what was being looked at, or what was said on that particular report, was on Friday, which is right here, if we get a spike up, which we did, you can use it as a fade. So this was on Tuesday when it was down here, and from here we saw a massive drop. And this is really what this newsletter is all about, or these reports are about. It's not, I mean, yes, these dates are going to come right on target a lot of times. Sometimes they are, but the thing is that you're going to know when to start looking long or short, and that's what it's all about. And Woody's the best there is. So again, on the 17th, which was last Tuesday, it was basically in this report that if we get the spike, you can use it as a fade. And that was because we had sentiment levels that were at extremes. So this was part of the Tuesday letter where we had the 96, 92. And again, that is why things were getting a little overextended. The bulls were very, very confident that things were going to continue higher. And, needless to say, it rolled over. This is all when everybody was bullish on the markets, and we went straight down. And again, this is really what this is all about, is once everybody starts getting extremely bearish and we're at an energy date that Woody had predicted or has viewed as an important date, you start looking long. It doesn't mean it has to happen on that date, but if we're in that area, why do you want to be shorting if we know that a turn date is coming here? We have low sentiment readings. Or why do you want to be buying up here if we know sentiment is at extremes? And it was called that if we got the Friday spike high, you can fade it. So again, they're not get short here, buy here. You're going to have to do a little bit of work on your own, and it's more your guide of what is going to be playing out. So it's been actually working, really, really well with this, and we've seen massive drops right when they were supposed to. We had massive rallies right when they were supposed to, and yet again another drop right on schedule. So that is, really what everything is about. And you can see these are actually the dates that were called when a top was supposed to come in. We saw a massive drop. This is when the bottom was supposed to come in, top, and you can see they all came pretty much right on schedule. This was the supposed to be the low here. We made a secondary low, and this was really the only one that caught us by surprise. And again, it was a break-even trade because we were looking for another move lower, and we picked up that it wasn't happening, and it was a break-even trade. And then we saw the top coming here. We dropped 80 points. The low was supposed to be here. We rallied 74 points right into another drop. And it's, right now, I think 65 points. So these are massive moves, and it doesn't mean you're going to catch the exact bottoms or the tops, but you're going to have a very good idea as far as what you want to be doing with your portfolio. So the question is, are you ready to start trading with the confidence of having one of the best market timers in the world with a sentiment, trading secret that not a lot of people know about and don't know how to use it, with over 30 years experience? And what we're doing, I already mentioned that we have started our marketing with Investors Hub. We partnered up with them. So I cannot advertise any kind of deals we're doing. What we will do, and we work this out with them, is people on our email list, we can let them know that we're going to put a coupon code out, which you will see in the email that's in here. If you are interested, you would look to sign up and then just cut and paste the coupon code into where you sign up. But the thing is, these are it automatically terminates tomorrow. So this isn't something that I'm deleting or anything like that. The coupon is good until tomorrow. It's just the way it is. It's what we worked out with Investors Hub. And we're happy that they're allowing us to do this. So if you're interested, click the join button, fill your name, your username, your email, password, the coupon. This is actually the coupon code, but it's going to be in the email. You choose which payment method you want, either credit card, which would go through Authorize.net, or PayPal. When you click Become a Premium Member, you're going to see the special offer that we have. That again, I can't tell you right now, but if you're interested, again, it ends tomorrow. And with that, until next week, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys soon.